have the Nissan MT Meet at the Hilton in Mehama. But as you can see, it's a little rainy. Maybe the clouds will leave. It says, I mean, looking at the weather, it says around that time it shouldn't be raining. But I guess I'll see when I get there. Letting the car warm up right now. And went out last night with the car and enjoyed it. Had fun. Made it. But as you can see, rain has scared everyone off. It was sprinkling a little bit when we got here, then it stopped. So it looked like it's moving away. Hopefully it is. Still got the hot boys. Yo. Oh shit. I know they had this system here where you can do it on your own. Wow. Let me be on newbies. Remove your card. I don't want that funky receipt. You know what? Thought my fingers wasn't wet and I couldn't get my... I need to warm this up anyway. Glad I came over here. 1 minute. I guess that's 1 minute. That ain't 1 minute. I don't know what the hell I just pressed, bro. I'm guessing it's gonna stop at 15. Okay, yeah. 1 minute.
1500 watts.
Man, just put that thing and press 1. Trying to do calculations.
No, it has it on here. It tells you.
Boy, that shit gets hot, boy. My Lil Wayne back in the juvenile, bro. Alright. Forgot. I need to start back. I'm gonna come in here and get some coffee one day. Look at that machine. Oh, it looks so nice. Got Thor trash cans. You know they don't fucking tear up. Zivago. Corey. Well, the meet is over. As you can see, like you can barely see outside. It started raining heavily, so headed home. Kios got that. Everyone on the road. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Whoever watches, peace out. Everybody have a nice night, day, wherever you are.